Hi guys, welcome back to another day of my life as a PhD student. Today was honestly such a long day in the lab doing experiments, so buckle up because this is going to be a rather long vlog. Basically, all I'm doing is just getting ready for the day. Luna helped me make the bed this morning, which was so nice of her. And of course, she required her morning attention and cuddles, so I did that. Next, I got dressed and just packed up my stuff to get ready to head out and go to the lab. At this point, it was about 7:30 and I started walking over to the lab to get started with my day. Every morning when I head into lab, I first like to just make a to-do list. I knew this morning that I had to go down to the mouse room, so I grabbed my stuff and headed down. We have to wear these like bonnet-like things, which makes me feel like a lunch lady, but it's kind of fun. I had to tag and tail some litters and wean some pups, and so I just brought the samples back upstairs and set up our incubator to do the tail digestions. Next, I took out this bacterial flask that I had been shaking overnight because my coworker is going to do a midi prep for me since I literally had no time to do it myself. He's literally a saint. But then after that, I just worked to finalize my thesis committee report. I literally have my first committee meeting tomorrow, so here I am just kind of reviewing it before I send it off to my committee for final review. Next, I set up the digestion for the tails that I collected that morning, so enjoy a little time lapse of me doing that. And then I had class at 10 a.m., so I ate my breakfast on the way to class. I'm taking a pharmacology course this semester, which has been super fun. After class, I went back to the lab and set up a cell culture experiment. Today I was doing a transduction, which is basically just when I put shRNA virus on my cells to knock down a gene. After this, I then checked on some of my other cells. I primarily work with adipocytes, both human and mouse, so these are some 3T3L1 cells. I next had a meeting for an event that I am helping plan. It is our School of Medicine's Research Day, basically a huge biomedical symposium. And finally, for the last experiment of the day, I set up a genotyping PCR experiment to run on some genotyping gels tomorrow morning. After this, which I literally forgot to film, but I went home and got ready because we had our department picnic, something that we do every year where we just kind of go out to a park and just like kind of hang out together. And then I had to help clean up with that. So I did not get home until about 8:30, so I snuggled with Luna and went to bed.